Ladies and gents, it's a fine day here at Costco because number one, I got to refill a bunch of my stuff that I'm out at home. But number two, the Costco Hot Warehouse buys started the other day. In case you don't know what those are, it's basically a flash sale. And I think this one ends on the 29th. So like James Bond, 007, time is of the essence. There's certain things that are on sale that are Bobby approved with a best-in-class ingredients. So let's do what we always do. Walk around, show you what's on sale, how to read the ingredients so you buy the best quality stuff at the best prices here at Costco. Before we walk around, I do also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Yes, Thrive is a 7-year supporter of the channel, but the reason why I like them is pretty much everything you would find at any grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's usually cheaper. And the box comes to your door and you save about $32 per order compared to going to the store. And when you click my link down below, you get 30% off your first order, a free gift up to 60 bucks, and it's 30 days risk-free. And I'll put a list of all my favorite Thrive Market items in the description box. So check them out. Less talking, more shopping. Let's walk around Costco. Here it is, friends, the star of the current sale. These paleo organic chicken sausages, $4.60 off. So this big packet is $10.39, $4.60 a pound. It would actually cost you more to buy the organic chicken and make these sausages yourself. Why do I like these? Well, it's organic paleo chicken sausages. For a sausage, this is about as good as they get. Organic non-GMO chicken. Seasonings are clean and lovely, like basil, onion powder, garlic powder, no sugar, no preservatives, no nothing. It's keto, it's paleo, it's delicious, and for $4.60 a pound, wow, wow, wee wow, this is a great deal. Load up, stash them in your freezer. It's next to the pasta here. I haven't talked about it in a long time, and it's not on sale, but this is also Bobby approved. And if you're gluten-free, this is one of the few good, fresh pasta options. It's cauliflower linguine. It's non-GMO, which actually comes in handy because the ingredients use eggs there, cauliflower, egg whites. Very, very cool. I've done that before. You cook it for a couple minutes. Very lovely. And speaking of cauliflower, this is trifecta. 1, 2, 3. This was not listed on sale. These are the cauliflower thins. What is this? This is on sale to $129. This is an unlisted sale. If you have it at yours, let us know. Leave a comment down below. These are the cauliflower sandwich thins. What's great about them is it's just a few ingredients. It's cauliflower based. The Parmesan is non-GMO. It's low net carbs. I love these. I actually did it the other day for me and Rose. I toasted these, used some of the organic Dietz & Watson turkey, which I have to buy more of, the Prosciutto di Parma, which I have to buy more of, some pesto from Whole Foods, and some avocado oil mayonnaise from Costco. Amazing lunch. Great deal here. Great deal there. Run, Forrest, run. While I love Rayo's, and I loaded up when they had the sale a few weeks ago, the same is not true for Rayo's Alfredo sauce, which is on sale right now for a great deal, right? 2 15-ounce containers for $8.59. And while that's best in class, unfortunately, the Alfredo sauce is not. Why? Well, let's find the ingredients here. Forgot to wear my glasses again. Okay, the light cream, so cream and milk. It's not organic, it's not non-GMO. So that is coming from cows who eat a GMO feed. What else is there? The butter is obviously GMO butter, but there's natural flavorings in the butter. You ever pick up a stick of butter from the grocery store, usually the cheaper ones, and it's ingredients, milk, cream, and natural flavor. And it's like, you're putting natural flavors in butter? Why will you do that, right? As Sebastian Maniscalco would say. We see what else is going on here. We got the egg, that's not non-GMO, and a few more other ingredients that are no good. So I'm gonna put that one back. You know what I used the other night, and what I love is the dairy-free Alfredo sauce from Primal Kitchen. We don't do that much dairy at home. When we do it, it's usually grass-fed. So their dairy-free Alfredo is made with cashews, and the seasoning is so good, I mix that with a little bit of Rayo's, and then I'll usually make homemade meatballs, sear them and simmer them in that mixture of Alfredo and tomato, then make a Bobby-approved spaghetti. Ooh, que bono, delicious. That's great. This, unfortunately, not so much. Here's a new item that some people have asked me about. It's a caffeinated snack bar here by Verb. So 1 bar equals 1 shot of espresso here for caffeine. You get 25 for $16.59. Unfortunately, Verb Bars are not Bobby approved because even though they use sugar brown sugar there. 2 grams is not terrible, so possibly it might be Bobby approved, but there's, if we can focus the camera, there we go. There's natural flavors, and the oats are not organic. It's just so funny how people want to keep getting caffeine in their diet. So instead of having a coffee, you can have a bar, which is equal to an espresso, but it's not Bobby approved. You know what is Bobby approved? On Thrive Market, they now have big containers of Kiki Milk. Kiki Milk is Rose and my and Desi's favorite plant-based milk. There's no gums, oils, or emulsifiers. It is the most nutrient-dense, kids and adults, plant-based milk. And they now have 32-ounce containers you can buy that are a better value than the small ones. I use that for my cereal bowl at night when I'm watching TV, and I get either 7 Sundays or the Thrive Market Keto Coconut Flakes. It tastes like crispy coconut flakes, or the maple sea salt Paleo 7 Sundays cereal is great. So if you want to try those 3 items or any Thrive Market items like the shampoo I get or the Dr. Bronner soap, I'll put a link in the description box. With my link, you get 30% off your first order, a free gift, and it's 30 days risk-free. We love Thrive Market. They're a big supporter of the channel, and my deal is pretty sweet right now. What the heck is going on? 2 more unmarked sales. These were not in the Hot Warehouse finds on the website, my friends. Skinny dipped cups, which are relatively new, and Unreal bars. I've talked about these a million times. The girls love them. One of the most Bobby approved chocolate coconut bars. But these are new. These are skinny dipped peanut butter cups. Oh no, they both have the Star of Death on there. That would be bad if they get discontinued. But the peanut butter cups are 30 for $12.79. These are Bobby approved Reese's peanut butter cups, and they only have 2 grams of sugar. But more importantly, the rest of the ingredients are dynamite, so it's unsweetened chocolate, peanut butter. The primary sweetener is allulose, the keto sweetener. There's 2 grams of cane sugar. There's also maple sugar, which is classy AF. We love maple sugar and use that at home for baking. And there's milk powder. Now, normally that milk powder would be GMO, so it wouldn't be Bobby approved, but hello, what does that say? Non-GMO. Holy cow, no cruddy ingredients, no natural flavors, no processed inflammatory oils. I've never had this. I'm gonna buy it. Leave a comment down below. Let us know how this tastes, because they don't get any better than this. It's on sale for 30 for $12.79. I'm just unfortunately sad to see that it's being discontinued, but unmarked sale till the 29th. Unmarked sale till the 29th. Undercover finds, my friends. Gonna get some prosciutto, like I said before, for 13 bucks a pound. But whoa, look at this. They have the jamon bellotto iberica. This is the one that had the whole leg of for the holidays. It's $90 per pound, but this is the one that's only acorn fed. That's a splurge, but for $13 a pound for real prosciutto di Parma is amazing. The problem is, I talked about making a lunch sandwich with the organic turkey, and it's gone again. After being back just one time, a Flave City fan told me a few days ago they didn't see it anymore, and I was hoping it was just their Costco, but it looks like it's mine too. It's that Dietz & Watson organic. It's affected by the avian flu, which is also devastating the egg industry. I heard there's a limit of 2 eggs at Costco, but walk into any grocery store, the egg aisle is decimated and the prices are double because the avian flu is going on a year now and it's making the prices skyrocket. And they've had to kill over 44 million eggs between that and inflation causing the price of feed and fuel to go up. Eggs are harder to find and super expensive. Now, it's making it hard to find the turkey too. Come on, come back. I just ran out. I should have bought more. Don't. While I do enjoy watching the Red Bull team on F1 Drive to Survive on Netflix, I don't enjoy the drink. And even though it's on sale, and maybe back in the day I used to have some Red Bulls and vodkas in the club when I was a kid, have you actually ever read the ingredients on the regular one or the sugar-free? So the regular one, it's an energy drink. And the ingredient that actually gives it energy is the taurine there. But sugar is the second ingredient there, which I can barely read, but yes it is. And it has 27 grams per container. 27 grams is basically 7 teaspoons of white cane sugar, which is crazy. Of course you're gonna have energy, you're gonna be bouncing off the wall with that amount of sugar plus the taurine. Look at the flavoring. Artificial flavors. This is a really crazy combination that so many people drink, what, 1, 2 of these a day? And you might be like, Bobby, I drink the sugar-free one, so I don't get the sugar in there. Well, because there's no sugar, They actually move the artificial flavor. Where is it? Look at that. They actually move the artificial flavor higher up, because when you get rid of the flavor from the sugar, you have to boost the artificial flavors to still make it good. But they're not using sugar. Instead, they're using probably 2 ingredients even worse than sugar. There it is. Aspartame and Ace K. These are 2 of the worst man-made, artificial, lab-made sweeteners that are devastating to your gut and your brain. So it might give you wings, but just say no. Stick to watching the Max Verstappen win the F1 instead of drinking this stuff. New item alert, new item alert. This is very cool. This is pure granulated allulose. It's not backed by the baking. It's up here by the proteins. I've never seen this before here. It's 32 ounces for $13.99. So allulose is a keto, diabetic-friendly sugar alternative that's 0 net carbs. Allulose comes from, I believe, a root vegetable from South America, and it's 0 net carbs. And I don't know if it's a 1-to-1 sugar replacement. Look at this. 1 cup of sugar would be 1.25 cups of allulose. So you can use this for baking. It actually says that it caramelizes nicely, because some people can't do too much erythritol. And when you buy the monk fruit blends, they always have erythritol, and it's a sugar alcohol that causes some people like a disruption in their gut and bloating. You won't have this problem with allulose, and actually I want to experiment more with allulose. I have 2 Shop Flav City products, the hot chocolates and the lemonades that have a little bit of erythritol. I want to try to reformulate with allulose because it's not a sugar alcohol, and you won't have any issues in case you're sensitive. This is super duper cool. I've actually never tried it, so I want to taste and see what how it works in recipes. But to get it for 32 ounces, new find, great deal up front here at Costco. All right, here it is. We're doing a live taste test of the peanut butter cups. Wow, those are incredible. Not too sweet at all. Nice rich chocolate flavor, and the peanut butter is popping. Run, Forrest, run. Get those before the sale ends and they're discontinued. Holy cow. All right, that is it. I'm going to pay for these and get out of here. Check out Thrive Market. Using my link down below. Get the 30% off your first order and the free gift. And all my favorite Thrive Market items are in the description box. But from Costco, my favorite place on earth, I leave you like I always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Later. Wow.